Inserting clip art and chart. Steps to add clip art in the presentation. Open the presentation. Click on Insert menu. Then Online Pictures option. Type the text into Search Clip Art area. For example, type computers, clip art. Click on Search option. We will the list of pictures available in the gallery in the Search task pane. Click on any of the picture that you want to insert. Now, we will get the clip art inserted on the slide. Create a chart in the presentation. We can insert a chart to represent the data in the presentation rather than showing raw figures. A chart represents the data in an attractive way. Now we will learn how we can get a chart in presentation software. Steps to insert chart in a presentation. Open the slide where you want to insert chart. Click on the Insert menu and then choose Object option. If you want to insert chart from Excel, then click on Microsoft Excel. A dummy chart will be inserted in our document that we can replace as per our requirement. At the bottom of the chart, we will find the tab where we need to click on Sheet tab and feed in the data for chart. We can change the look of the chart under Chart option. Navigating across slides. We have 3 different options to move from one slide to another while designing. We can press the Page Up key to go to the last slide and can press Page Down key to move to the next slide. Click on any of the slide on the Slide Sorter pane to move to that slide. Use the scroll bar to move to next or previous slides.